Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing High Seas Motel. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi and a non-smoking rooms. Offering an outdoor pool and free Wi-Fi, the High Seas Motel is located in Bar Harbor. Free parking is available on site. Flat-screen TVs, refrigerators and hair dryers can be found in all rooms. Private bathrooms are also included. Complimentary morning coffee is provided. Laundry and ironing facilities as well as vending machines with snacks and beverages can be found on site. High Seas also offers a picnic area. Agamont Park is 4.8 miles from High Seas Motel, while Frenchman Bay is 1.8 miles away. The nearest airport is Bangor Airport, 46 miles from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.